Welcome to Lionsgate in Gilbert. If you're looking for a home that's stylish and low maintenance and in the heart of it all, this one's it.
With plenty of space, top amenities, and wonderful shopping and dining just minutes away, this home checks all those boxes. Let's take a look.
This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is just under 1,500 square feet and designed for easy living. The kitchen stands out with granite counters, rich cherry cabinets, glass panel inserts, and a spacious pantry. Upstairs, all the bedrooms offer privacy, including a roomy primary suite. The low-maintenance side yard with turf means more time to enjoy Lionsgate's 3 pools, 8 playgrounds, picnic areas, and clubhouse. Close to the Epicenter for top shopping and dining, this home is perfect for a growing family. Let's get you in for a private tour.
And that's a wrap on this gem. If you're looking for a home with amazing community perks in a prime Gilbert location, then this one's for you.
Ready to come see it in person? Contact us today and let's take a tour.